In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to TikTok Shop. By the end, your WordPress store will be linked to your TikTok Shop or TikTok for Business account so you can sync products and streamline sales. Make sure you're logged in as a WordPress administrator, WooCommerce is already installed, and you have your TikTok Shop or business credentials ready. A quick site backup is always a smart precaution before adding new plugins. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website where you'll manage plugins, settings, and WooCommerce. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the plugins menu, then choose Add New. This takes you to the official plugin repository where you can safely add features to your site. Use the search bar to look up TikTok for WooCommerce, and you should see the official integration appear in the results. Double check that it's the legitimate plugin, look for strong ratings and recent updates, and confirm it's compatible with your current version of WordPress and WooCommerce. If you don't see it right away, try refining the search term or checking your internet connection. When you've found it, click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Then click Activate. Installing adds the plugin files to your site. Activating turns the integration on. If WordPress shows a brief spinner or success message, that's expected. If activation fails, update WordPress and WooCommerce, then try again. Next, head to the WooCommerce section in your sidebar and select TikTok for WooCommerce. This opens the plugin setup page inside your store settings. Here you'll see the option to connect. Click Connect to TikTok. Your browser may open a new window or prompt you to allow a pop-up, so make sure pop-ups are not blocked. Now log into your TikTok for Business or TikTok Shop Seller account using the account that owns your store. If you manage multiple regions or shops, choose the right one. Complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Avoid signing in with a personal TikTok account that isn't tied to your shop. You'll be asked to grant permissions so the plugin can access your TikTok account. Review the list carefully. These permissions are used to sync your catalog, manage pixels, and process orders between WooCommerce and TikTok. Approve the request to continue. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to WordPress, where you should see a confirmation that the connection is live. That's it. Your WooCommerce store is now connected to TikTok Shop. From here, you can manage syncing and begin leveraging TikTok to showcase your products and drive sales.